Hey my friends, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. This is Kyle's Film Garage. I am in Hollywood currently, and right now we're gonna go up to Runyan Canyon. If you saw my other little 40-second video, you already knew that. But if you didn't know that, now you know that. So we're gonna go the easy way up Runyan Canyon. So there's really no easy way to do this, but this is the easier way. So let's get right to it. All right, so this is where we are. We are at Runyan Canyon Park, and it's right in the middle of Hollywood. Just Google it and you'll find out exactly where that is. I have walked here a couple times, but last time I was here, it was in the rain. So if you want to check out the rain hike, that was not the easy way, you can check that out. I'll leave that in the end cards. Entering on leash area. So yeah, you can have your dogs. You can see lots of people with dogs here, and there's a little dog park right in front of us where you can go let them off down here, run around, get some exercise. So that's cool. All right, so as we come up here, and in the last videos that I've done here, I've always gone up to a right, which is where the trail gets kind of crazy and hectic and steep. So to our left over here, which is where we're gonna go, we'll show you, like it's kind of it's more of a paved road. So that's what we're gonna do this time. All right, so yeah, so basically, yeah, so we would go this way normally, which is where we've gone before, but we're gonna go up over here. It's kind of steep right here in the beginning, but that's just to get to the road, which is up here in front of us. Lots of dogs, probably a dog walker. All right, so we're looking back down where we came from. So that's where we came from, which is where the entrance is, and where we would normally go is up that trail that way, where it gets like rocky and whatnot, and the tennis courts are and all that kind of stuff. So turning back around, so what we're doing is we're coming up this way, and this is the little trail that's going to take us up to the paved area, which is actually, I believe, a fire road. So yeah, so let's go check it out. Hey, by the way, if you like supporting independent film, please click like on this video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. I am Kyle. I'm an actor, producer of independent film. That's what this channel is all about. I take you on these adventures to support that cause. So please watch all the videos, and yeah, so let's keep going. So you'll see like the kind of landscape change a bit here and there. I try not to get a whole bunch of people on camera, so I will wait and pause and walk and stuff like that so that I don't get a bunch of people on camera. But we're just going to keep on going up here, and then we're going to go to our right here in a second. Okay, so as we get to the top of this little hill, there's another way to get into the park, and that's on this street down here, which I'm not really sure what it is, but we were on Fuller before. So if you go down this street, this is the other entrance to Runyan Canyon. So hang on just a sec. Okay, well, this is gonna help us a lot. So we are right here. So that other street that comes up here is Vista, and where we were a couple days ago, Waddell's Garden Park, is over here. That's that crazy hike that it took you guys on right there. So basically it's a big ridge canyon, so there's lots of ways to get up it. So we went up, let's see what street, Franklin. Yeah, we got up into the Waddell's Garden Park, and Runyan Canyon is right next to it. So Vista, we just came up Fuller. So where we that gate that we went up was here. So all we did just now is go up here and then made a left. So, and that's gonna take us over here to this west trail, which is the easier paved road. And this over here is the not easier off-road, low four-wheel drive people trail. So yeah. All right, so backing off a little bit, that's where we just came from. Fuller's over there, and this is the road that we're on right now. So as we begin, you can't do any of this stuff. So if you want to pause the video, look at all the stuff that you can't do any of that. So those things, don't do those things. Okay, right along. Yeah, so it's really super crowded on the weekends. Like, at least this side is. The other side, where it's all crazy, not as much, but you know, some people like a challenge, so it gets crowded over there too. But yeah, see, you can see just even now, like those palm trees, like we're already on top of that. So that is below us. And let's see, during the rain video, when I hiked this in the rain, so I don't know if you can see the trail over there, but right there at the top of that little hill, there's a bench, and that's where we ended up. So go check that one out. That was fun to do. So I guess this is where they officially kind of close off the road, if you have, you know, for the fire marshals and whatnot. So yeah, you can get through here though. Yeah, okay. Oh, so see that down there? So that is basically, this is an abandoned property. It used to be where Errol Flynn stayed up here in the pool house after he lost his house in the divorce. So this is all kind of like basically ruins from all the old property. But if you want to see a whole video about that, check out my Errol Flynn video in the playlist, and I walk through all that stuff, which is pretty cool. So go check that out. But we're above it right now. Oh yeah, so there are other little offshoots that you can go on, which is like not necessarily easy, like this. So yeah, so this is the west trail, and there's no access right now, I believe, because of the weather and whatnot, because it's rained a lot, so it might not be super safe right now. But yeah, so this is a paved fire road. So yeah, it's not going to be easy for me to knock out people on camera. So, you know, we're in public. It's kind of to be expected. So yeah, let's check that out though. We're pretty high up already. By the way, I did a documentary called Tent City Hollywood, and it's about the tents in Hollywood and like what is or isn't being done about them. That link is in the description if you want to support this channel, besides my Patreon or joining the channel or something like that. You can just rent that video and join the O Prime network and all that good stuff. So it's a great way to support indie film, great way to check out a documentary and support indie film. So yeah, let's do that. Getting back to Runyan Canyon, so if you wanted a place to just kind of like do a safe hike, you can totally do that, and that's what we're on right now. So over there across the way, that's not paved, and then back where I just showed you, that is also not paved, and that little trail goes up and all the way up on top of there, all the way across the ridge where those people are. So it's a big steep hike if you're up for that. Across the way, that's where the tennis courts are. We visited that in the last time I was here, also when it was raining and it's dry. I got a few of these. Maybe I'll make a playlist. I don't know if you can hear the birds. Anyway, if you can't, just know that I can, and pretend like you can and go, oh yeah, that's nice birds. That's cool. Yeah, so it's coming around the bend here, but this will give you a better view of the tennis courts. So check that out. Yeah, this is a big sprawling property, and I'm so glad that we are able to come up here and hike. It's been like this for years, I think since the 80s, where it's been city owned and run, and now people can come up and enjoy it, which I think is fantastic. And yeah, they do have water here in case you don't or didn't bring water, going, hey, let's just go have a hike, and then it's 90 degrees and you're like, oh my god, I'm going to die. So then they give you the opportunity to not die by having water. That's a plus. Yes, I checked this out because people do, like, they do kind of make their own little trails here and there, you know, like this. So here's a road, there's a little offshoot trail, go down there, it takes you to those other ruins, which we did go through in that other video, the Errol Flynn video. Yeah, I will, at the end screen credits, I will put a video and a playlist to those things. So cool stuff. So I did say it was safer. I did not say it wasn't steep. So yeah, it is steep. It's, you just have less of a chance of falling and, you know, that sort of thing on a mud trail. So this is a pretty good view from up here. You can see Hollywood. It's kind of a smoggy day, so it's not an absolutely awesome picture, but nonetheless, this is a cool little place to be. There's someone sitting on the bench right there. I'd go to the bench. So, but anyway, yeah, so there's a bench up here. See the bench down that way where we were before in the other video, up the muddy trail. That's there's nothing in front of you, so you can see all of Hollywood and whatnot and surroundings. So here we kind of have to look through this little valley, you know, but still beautiful nonetheless. So we're going up the hill again, and it kind of turns right over there and pins back up and starts going that way up there. I don't know if we're gonna go that far, but you can check out that beautiful mansion up there, right in the pinch in the valley there. That's pretty awesome. I actually do have to get back and edit some stuff and you know, survive in this crazy world. So yeah, click like and do the things. Join the channel, join the Patreon if you like independent film. All those things help. The goal of this channel is to be able to eventually pay for all of the indie films that we do just with this channel. So share it, join, subscribe, do the things. I hope you're doing great. And yeah, on this view, we'll just leave it right here.